Hi, I'm Tom Sparke. Welcome back to the Captain Fishbeard YouTube channel. Today we've got another exciting drawing game for you. Have a look, see you at the table. Okay, we've got another really fun game here. This one is called Pop the Balloon. It is for 2 or more players. We simply draw a balloon in the middle of the page. Now, that's one person's go. The next person has to draw something that's going to try and pop the balloon. So, in this case, I'm going to draw a bird coming in there, ready to pop it with its sharp beak. Going pretty fast. It's going to hit that balloon, it's going to pop the balloon. So the next person's go, or the original person's go, if you're just playing with 2 of you. What's he going to do to try and stop this from happening? So what we can put in there in place is, just in time, somebody comes up here to scare the bird away. A mean-looking owl. So foiled at that attempt. So what is the first player going to do now? I think you've got to be as creative as you can in this one. It makes it even more fun. And the more creative you get and the more humorous you are, the more the fun really flows. So I'm going to draw a... Can you guess what that is? Maybe you can if I put some of these on it. Cactus coming at high speed, being propelled from the ground. That's certainly going to pop it. Let's do some spikes on the top. What can we do about that one? Okay, well, we're going to chuck into the mix a jumper. There you go, with the arm up, ready for that cactus to go in to cushion the blow there. That will stop that popping, won't it? Next person, foiled again. They have to think of another one. So maybe a bolt of lightning comes out the blue, about to hit the balloon. How are we going to solve that? Back to the other player. I'll leave you to solve that one. That's a good game. 2 or more players. Pop the balloon. If you have any other ideas for drawing games you'd like me to try, or any requests, then do let me know. Please do like and subscribe. Cheers. Bye.